Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be creating the third slide in our glass effect template in PowerPoint. Alright, let's get started. We're going to start with a blank slide. If you want to watch a video on how to create this one, you can check out the card on the top right corner of your screen to watch that, or check out the description box below for the link to the video. I'm going to come over to new slide and I'm going to insert a new blank slide. Next up, we're going to need an image. I'm going to grab my image, which is going to be this one. The link to download this image is going to be in the description box below. I'm going to come over to this crop option and click on that, and then we're going to have these handles. Select this one all the way to the left and this one all the way to the right. Come back to crop and then select fill, and we're going to have this. I'm going to close, escape. Next up, I'm going to duplicate this using Ctrl and D. Now I'm going to right click on this image and we're going to select format picture. Come over to the picture option, expand picture corrections and reduce sharpness to -100%. Next up, select this one behind that isn't that's the original image. Go ahead and just copy this, and you could just select outside the slide frame, and then under background fill, select picture or texture fill, and then select clipboard option. Now if I move this image behind, you can see the fill of our background has changed, so I can delete that one and then select this one and then realign it on our slide. We're going to insert a shape next. So I'm currently in the home tab, so just go over to shapes and I'm going to scroll down, and this stars and banners section, select this first one, explosion 8 points, and I'm going to just draw it. The height is going to be 17.5 and the width is going to be 27, and I'm just going to grab it. Let's go over to align center, then I'm going to go to align again, align middle. Let's change the outline of this outline shape to no outline, and then in this fill section here, select slide background fill. Let's go over to effects and we are going to add a shadow, so expand the shadow tab, come over to the presets, and then in the outer section use offset center like this. Change the color of the shadow to white. The transparency of the shadow, make it 40%. We are going to make this, leave the size at 102. Blur is going to be 12 points. All other settings remain the same. Now we can go ahead and add in our text. I'm going to come over to my notes. This text is going to be in the description box below, or you could just Google Lorem Ipsum text. I'm going to come over to shapes, select text box, and I'm just going to draw this and then paste. I'm going to select the entire text box. The font we are going to use is Banscript. Hopefully I'm saying this correct. Banscript condensed. Select that. Change the size of this font to the text to 44. Change the color to white. I'm going to just expand this and change the alignment of the text to center. And I'm just going to bring it here. I'm going to select it and then create a copy. We're going to change this font to Avenir next. So select that, and I'm going to change the size of this text to 20. I'm going to grab the remaining text, copy it, and then I'm going to paste. I'm going to increase the width of this text so that all my text is on three lines, just like this. And I'm also going to align it so that it's on the center of our slide as well as this shape. I'm just going to move it up a bit. Maybe I could also move this one, maybe just a bit like this. I can now select this too and group it. And yeah, with that, we are done with this slide. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like in the slideshow view. So I'm just going to click on it, and yeah, this is our third slide in our glass effect template. If you enjoyed the video and want to watch the other videos on how I create other slides in this particular template, you can either check out the description box below to the links to those videos or the course playlist, or you could click on the video or playlist on screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.